So today is a pretty exciting day. We are back on the East Coast hiking. We've been doing a lot of off-roading. My wife's leg is finally healed. She broke her leg. And so we are pretty excited to be out here hiking today. But it's even more exciting because I did not realize what this park was. Like, it was this beautiful place with these ancient trees, and we're actually descending down to this valley all the way down here. And it has these giant dolomite cliffs. Unfortunately, the caves are still closed because of bats, which they should be out already, but anyways, it's just the way that things work around here. So right now we're on the Ancients Trail. So we are now descending into these incredible dolomite cliffs. They're all carved out, and it is impressive already. The level of awesomeness of this place is 10 plus plus. It's a short, simple trail to get down, some steps you have to navigate. But this is a preserve that owns all these properties up in this area, and so there's several hiking options that you can take. There's some really big trees here. Here, it looks like cedars. And then there's one right here. Usually don't see cedars this big on the East Coast. We've seen some on the West Coast that are huge. Just get my hand there, you can kind of tell. The trail just dumped us right back onto the bridge we drove over earlier.
I never even know there was a waterfall down there.
It's hard to see the waterfall from up here. Yep, can't really see it too well. Oh, look at that over there. That's the canyon. I think that what always blows my mind is that we're just in Ohio, and this is not what you think of when you come to Ohio. And Ohio used to have rainforest. And I think to myself, rainforest? All I could think of was corn in Ohio, you know, not a rainforest. So this is really a unique place. We love showing these like hidden gems. So we're here at 1. We did this little trail here, but there's a trail here. I think we're gonna head over to this place here, but you can see there's trails all over here. Downside is most of them don't allow dogs. So we talked to the person at the front desk, and the resident bats usually move on in May. That's what I meant earlier, that bats usually leave the coop in May. But she said they came back and so they're waiting another couple of days. But if anybody asks, you could go into McKinney Cave. So I'm glad that we asked, so we're going down here to check this out. I'm a little out of air because I thought I left my light in the truck. I ran all the way to the truck, ran all the way back, and it's in my pocket. Look at that thing.
Paved path in here.
There's a paved path in here?
So maybe this is McKinney. We just are coming in a side entrance.
Okay, maybe this is McKinney. Oh. Oh, there's a paved path in
I
here.
told you.
Oh, okay. We're in the right place.
Yeah. See the other entrance is this over there.
Okay. Check this out, guys. Holy moly.
And the lady at the desk gave me a flashlight. They have a whole box of them if you don't have a light when you come.
Oh, that was nice.
It's not the best light in the world, but
This is beautiful.
yeah, it's super pretty in here.
This is flowstone right here. It's a lot of flowstone. I don't think I've ever been in an Ohio cave.
Not a real cave, just
I wonder if this was the tight spot she thought that was tight.
this is the type.
She said, oh, those are tight spot I gotta squeeze through. Oh yeah. Check that out. It's all paved in here, like little steps. But it's flowstone the whole way.
So, was this a fissure cave and then all the flowstone just formed on the wall?
It doesn't look like a fissure cave. Looks like a solution. Ooh, was a bat right on my head. You almost hit me in the head.
Yeah, now they're just flying back and forth.
So that was definitely the more adventurous way in. Okay, that was just amazing. Really, really neat place. I just think it's so, I don't know, so appreciative these places are being preserved and being open to the public. And so I'm very thankful they allowed us to get down here.
Flying back and forth, so I don't know where they'll be now.
So the cave we went in was McKinney Cave, and it was named after a famous bank robber, Robert McKinney. So he was like Billy the Kid, but on the East Coast. So now we have come over here to another conservancy. This one sounded really interesting. Eugene and Henrietta Miller Nature Sanctuary. There's so many things up here. We were looking at the map. We're like, you want to go here? Well, this sounds good. About this one? No, let's go to this one. Oh, what about this one? So we will have to make another trip up here. We're not going to be able to see everything on one day here. So fortunately, it's about 2 hours from our house, so not too far. So it's hard to see, but there is an arch right here. This is a really poor map here. It's kind of faded. So we parked here. We walked up. You can barely see, but there's this blue here, the arch. And there's a trail here. Red Falls. I stumbled on this. It looks like it doesn't belong in here. I think it was like a yucca or something.
Maybe this used to be a homestead or something.
Here's the bottom side of the bridge. It's the 9th wonder of the world.
are silica-based plants, like, you know, the ancient trees or whatever, but they also are part of the fern family. That thing doesn't look like a fern at all.
Like a bamboo.
Yeah. A fern relative that gets its name from bits of silica embedded in its plant fibers.
Something you don't expect to see is a farm tiller in the middle of the woods.
The little turtle friend hasn't moved very far.
Yeah, and our turtle friend is still here.
I can't believe he didn't even like suck back into his shell or nothing.
So that was a very fun loop to do, and wasn't difficult, but I think it's be time to fill in the hole in our stomach now. And we will definitely be doing more of these videos. I really enjoy these little preserves. So thanks for joining us. Hope to catch you on the next one.